Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Daytona Beach local and long distance movers near me. Long distance moving isn't easy. It can be a daunting task and one of those high stress life transitions. Hiring the right moving company in Daytona Beach for your long distance move to or from Daytona Beach will take some of the stress out of it. Call 3 Movers for a free in home estimate of the cost of your move. We will send a representative to review your job and tell you how much weight you have, how much it's going to cost, and how affordable Daytona Beach movers can make it easier. If you need packing services, we can handle that for you. If you have oversized items like a piano or a hot tub to move, we have that covered. If you are looking for the lowest cost, we can give you some hints on saving money. Pro tip: sort through your stuff and get rid of what you don't need before you move, not after. Our Daytona Beach moving company is registered with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, and we promise you a trustworthy, reliable team. Moving your home or office from one place to another in Daytona Beach is fun, to look back on when it's over. Getting through the move isn't always as fun, but it is easier if you have the right movers in Daytona Beach. Experts recommend that you obtain estimates from at least 3 reputable moving companies before you decide on one. For a local move, choose a local mover, not someone selling your service from a call center thousands of miles away. 3 Movers knows Daytona Beach, and our local crews are professional, experienced movers in Daytona Beach FL who can get the job done right. We will give you an estimate and explain the options you have for getting the job done. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Daytona Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.